Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this Excel tutorial, we're going to focus on finding and removing duplicates. Here's my example spreadsheet. It's a hypothetical synth-pop CD store list. I have bands, albums, and other details. Some bands appear multiple times because I was tracking different quarters of the year. So naturally, there are several records for the same band. That's fine for sales tracking. But what if I want a list of unique bands or a list of albums? Here's how to do that quickly. Step 1. Remove duplicates. Go to the Data tab. Look for the Data Tools group and click Remove Duplicates. By default, Excel will check all columns for duplicates. But if I only want unique band names, I'll click Unselect All, check Only Band, click OK. Excel now tells me how many duplicates it found and how many unique values remain. For example, in my list, it removed 33 duplicates, leaving 15 unique bands. And just like that, I now have a clean list of all the bands in my store. Step 2. Save your work. If I want to keep this unique list separate, go to File, Save As, and save it as a new spreadsheet. If I want to keep my original spreadsheet intact, just exit without saving changes. That way, I have both the full spreadsheet and the list of unique bands. Quick tip. The Remove Duplicates tool is super useful whenever you need clean, unique data in Excel, whether it's bands, products, or any other type of list. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell to be notified of new videos.